Hello students, welcome to another video of English Classic Literature. And in this video, we are going to understand what is literal and figurative meaning in literature. Come, let's start. You must have heard a famous quote of Saint Augustine. He talks about traveling, but he says, "The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page." That is the beauty of language. Now we shall understand what is literal or figurative meaning. Now, as the word itself says, literal means the words and phrases that convey information precisely and factually in a very scientific manner. When we understand language literally, we interpret words in their straightforward everyday sense. जैसा हम उसको देखते हैं, वैसा ही हम समझते हैं. That is literal meaning. Example है यहाँ पर. She packed a lot of things in her suitcase. It's a simple sentence describing that she packed a lot of things. Now let's look at the figurative language. Expression where words do not indicate their meaning literally at the face value. Rather, they are used in a way that deviates them from their conventional or literal meaning and create more profound or imaginary meaning. See the example, the same which we did in the last slide. She packed everything but the kitchen sink in her suitcase. Now you would be thinking, how can a person really pack a kitchen sink in the suitcase? But the meaning is same, that she packed a lot of things in her suitcase. So this is figurative language, using figures to describe the approach or describe what the writer wants to say. Now, why do authors use figurative language? Authors use figurative language to create imagery, some image in our mind, then to evoke emotions, then to convey abstract concepts, some concepts which cannot be clearly worded in clear words. They are conveyed through figures. And then spark imagination. Kiski? Reader ki. When you read these figurative words, imagination is sparked. Then what is the impact of these figurative words on the readers? First is enhancing descriptions. Next is conveying emotions, then creating imagination. Let's study these three one by one. Enhancing description. Figurative language can make descriptions more vivid and engaging. It enhances the meaning. बड़ा कर देता है, more impactful. Like, this is an example. The wind was strong. It's a simple literal sentence. But the author might write, the wind howled like a lonely wolf. So now, this is a figurative statement. So it gives more impact on the readers. Now the next is conveying emotions. Emotions are conveyed by the poet and they have an impact on the reader. Authors use figurative language to evoke deeper emotions than literal words could. So, example here is a line like, her smile was a ray of sunshine. But he's saying the word sunshine What does sunshine have to do with the smile? Sunshine conveys warmth, it conveys happiness. It's not a simple smile. It conveys these emotions along with the word smile. And the next is creating imagination. Figurative language helps us imagine things. It sparks imagination. Phrases like the stars danced in the night sky. It is our imagination. We start visualizing the stars, how they are dancing in the sky. So it gives a visual and imaginative impact. Understanding figurative language adds depth to the interpretation of a text. So now, these are the examples how the authors use figurative language. Metaphor, symbolism, personification, hyperbole, simile, onomatopoeia, idiom, imagery and alliteration. And now it is the task time. We have been given 5 sentences. You have to find out whether they convey literal meaning or figurative meaning. I hope the concept of literal meaning and figurative meaning is clear. See you in the next video. Till then, happy learning.